Well, now that you guys seen how the rounded tool works, we're going to go back to the 10 degree tool. That is 90 degrees at this point. We have a 10 degree back taper. It's a different tool that's in this machine. It's been ground down a little bit, so what I've had to do is to shim the tool up. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but these Unimats, it's going to be extremely important that you put the tool the best you can on center. I would avoid going above center. If you're going to come low, don't make it any more than a couple thousandths of an inch, I wouldn't think. The little pip that sticks out is just kind of annoying or whatever. You can knock it off with a file, it's not a big deal. But if you start getting above the center line, you're going to get a lot more chatter with these machines. If you get too low, the work will try and roll over the top of the tool, so it's going to be pretty important that you keep sharp tools and be very intent, I guess, in your movements. That's just what I'm learning so far on this. I've already set up this 10 degree tool, and we're going to go ahead and take a small pass here. And I just shimmed it up just a few thousandths, and I was trying to see exactly what that height was going to be, but here we go. This is a relatively shallow cut. And this tool is maybe a thou low. But this is quite a nice little facing cut. Doesn't seem to affect the machine at all. A little slowdown, I got a little bit more aggressive here, but still taking it off without any problem. This is 1144. So this isn't, just mild steel. It's a little tougher to machine. Not tough to machine, but a little tougher. And that is a demonstration on this tool. What's nice about this tool is if you feel like going left to right, you turn it that way. If you feel like going left to right, you go that way. So you can flip this tool as long as you're using the 10 degree bevel, and it will traverse. It's not as efficient cutting that way, but it will cut. And basically, if you get your height just right, you won't be left with a pip. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll stack index cards, as you can see here, underneath the tool to raise it up, and I think I may do that again just to put it on center. But thanks for watching.